Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to find Steam Hex ID. So first you have to open any web browser and then you have to go to store.steampower.com and then you have to log into yourself. As you can see, I have already logged into myself, and then in this window you have to select your profile icon in the top right corner and then select view my profile. After coming to this window, you have to go to the URL bar in the top and then copy the URL bar, which is your Steam ID, and then you have to go to the steamid.pro, which I have already opened here, and now in the middle just paste your Steam ID and click on lookup option. After clicking the lookup option, there will be a different window. If you go scroll down, you will see in the table there is a 5m.hex, which is the hex ID. As you can see in the right, there is a copy option. If you click on it, you can use it anywhere if you need to. So this is how you can find Steam Hex ID. If this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.